Kurbah nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad Sangma, ringkat Menteri Pradip Yakatanat Shangkai Perthai uba Polindo, Klayok Pynkup Burom uba Pradip Kurbah, ubade Director ke Phlim Khasi Lyngkha Bneng, bat kekan huan berok kawai. Kani kajing Pynkup Burom ikinong shimbenta ke Phlim Lyngkha Bneng, kade namar kalasha ajiat Best Film but Best Director haga 47 Moscow International Film Festival Arjar Arpusan ke Badang Shudam. Ya kani kajing Pynkup Burom la Bneng mentakasngi State Convention Center Shillong bala penyaj deka Hello Meghalaya ke bade jong ketanat Shangkai Perthai ke Sorkar Jela.
Let's keep the applause going, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, the film Lyngkha Bneng, meaning Those from the Clouds or the Elysian Field, has not just made it to the prestigious Moscow International Film Festival categories. The film has secured the coveted Golden St. George for Best Film, the Silver St. George for Best Director for Pradip Kurbah himself, and the esteemed Netpack Award for Best Asian Film. This triple win is an exceptional achievement for any Indian regional language film. It has brought immense pride and global recognition to Khasi cinema and indeed to all of Meghalaya. Let's give a huge round of applause once again for Mr. Pradip Kurbah and his team. Let's keep the applause going, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Pradip Kurbah and his team.
Extend our deepest gratitude for this honor. A sincere thank you to Hello Meghalaya for organizing this event. Lyngkha Bneng began its journey in 2020 when the film got selected at the Asian Project Market in Busan, South Korea. That gave us hope that a story from our hills could travel and connect beyond our borders. But soon after the pandemic brought everything to a stop, like many others, we didn't know if the film would ever get made. What kept us going was the belief in the story and belief in each other. We began filming in 2022 and it took us almost 2 years to complete because we wanted to capture the film across all 4 seasons. We shot everything in and around Sora. It wasn't just about showing the beauty of the place. We wanted the location to become a part of the story as a tribute to the land, to our people, and to the strength of our stories. I'm deeply grateful to my cast, my entire technical team, my producers, my co-producers, my associate producers. Each one of you gave your best and stood by the film at every stage. Thank you for being a part of this journey. The whole team of Lyngkha Bneng is truly thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma, Honorable Minister of Tourism Polindo, Dr. Vijay Kumar, and the entire Hello Meghalaya team. Your encouragement and support gave us the confidence to keep going and meant a great deal to us during this journey. The film had its world premiere at the 47 Moscow International Film Festival, and it was awarded with Best Film, Best Director, and the Netpack Award for the Best Asian Cinema. But what truly mattered was seeing the story from Meghalaya resonate with the audience from around the world, everyone who was part of this journey. And also I'll take this opportunity to thank and sincerely thank my producer of my previous film Yodo, Shri Shankarlal Goenka, for his belief in the film and for agreeing to take on its distribution across the country. For a film made in Meghalaya in our own language and rooted in our culture, this kind of support means a great deal. I also want to thank a filmmaker and a friend, Dominic Sangma, Over the years, his quiet thinking, honest conversations, and deep love for cinema have really inspired me deeply. He's helped me see filmmaking not just a craft, but as something personal and honest. I've learned a lot from him. For that, I'm truly grateful. Today also marks the new beginning for cinema in Meghalaya. With the continued support of the government through film grants, the Hello Meghalaya OTT platform, and the upcoming cinema halls, we are seeing a real and meaningful progress. Launched just last year has already given our films a digital home, helping them reach audiences far and wide. And now with the dedicated cinema halls for the local films being planned, we hope they will become dedicated spaces for local films, places where our stories can be seen regularly, where audiences can connect with films made in their own language and culture. These steps are more than just government policies. They are helping build a strong foundation for a film culture that can grow and stand on its own here in Meghalaya. For many of us, this is the first time we truly feel there's a place for our stories, not just in festivals, but here at home. It's a hopeful and exciting time for all of us who believe in the power of cinema from our state. To all the filmmakers out there, take your time. Don't rush to follow what's popular. Stay true to your stories, and more importantly, stay true to your art. Real cinema isn't about chasing trends or likes. It's about honesty, emotion, and human connection. We don't make films to win awards. And I completely understand that. I feel the same. We don't tell stories for recognition. We do it because they matter to us. If an award comes along the way, it's just a sign that someone somewhere connected with our stories. At the same time, I feel it's also important that our films are seen outside, not for recognition, but so not that our culture, our language, and our way of life grow and reach more people. That too is a part of why we tell stories. I'm hopeful about the talented filmmakers who will receive the grant. I truly believe they'll create powerful, meaningful films that reflects who we are and where we come from. And I know there are many more voices we haven't heard yet, full of passion and purpose. Let's keep making films that matter, no matter how small they seem or who's watching. In 1993, he founded Kurbah Films and gave me my first break as a director with Conrad. He was the one who first made me believe in the dream of reviving Khasi cinema, a dream that has stayed with me ever since. Every step I take and every film I make carries his spirit. I've always felt this journey belongs to us, his dream and my steps. Thank you once again for this beautiful recognition. Kunishma.